My name is Rajendra Johari and I am the Managing Director of Aman Aviation and Aerospace Solutions Private Limited. We are a company based in Mumbai and we have MRO company. It's a maintenance, repair and overhaul company for supporting all the airlines and general aviation in India. We have all the airline customers like Jet Airways, SpiceJet, Indigo, Blue Dart, Go Air, Kingfisher and so on and so forth. On the general aviation front, we have got many customers like Global Vectra, Indocopters, we have Taj Air and so on. Apart from the civil companies, we also do the overhaul and repair activities for the aircraft components for defense. We are working for Indian Air Force for their Mi-171 helicopters, for the overhauling of the flotation system, air conditioning compressors and many other components on their helicopters. We have also recently started a helicopter Robinson R44, which is going to do the banner towing operation, the first of its kind in India, to do aerial advertisement using helicopters. We will be carrying huge and large banners ranging from 1,500 square feet up to 10,000 square feet banners in the sky and going to change the skyline of Mumbai and many other cities in India. Apart from this, our company also does the third-party maintenance for the helicopters and airplanes. We carry out the complete helicopter maintenance for Robinson helicopters and many other helicopters which are planning in the future. On the defense front, we are talking to many companies regarding the offset program, wherein the defense companies could use our platform in India for the offset program and increase their base and presence in the country. We are also looking at expanding our facility into Middle East. We are looking to enter into Dubai and Bahrain in the coming year and two. For the MRO activities, we have the approvals from the DGC of India. We have the approvals from European Aviation Safety Agency, that is EASA Part 145. We also have the DOT US approval from the American country, and we are a ISO 9001-2008 approved company. We have a workshop which is approved in Mumbai. We carry out a lot of activities in terms of overhauling of the components. We carry out the hydrostatic testing of the pressure vessels. We do the overhauling of the regulators. We do the overhauling of the escape slides, slide rafts of Boeing 737, Airbus 319, 320, 321. We have the capabilities up to 777 and Airbus 330 in terms of slides. We carry out the overhauling of the regulators, testing of regulators. We carry out the overhauling of the fire extinguishers of different aircrafts and different part numbers. And we carry out the phosphate coating of the oxygen cylinders, which is a very niche segment where nobody else is doing in the country, and we are supporting all our customers in India on these products and services. The benefit from the exhibition, yes, that we will have the presence felt, and we are getting good response from the customers, and there are lots of new inquiries coming up. So yes, it is making a difference in this exhibition. Actually, we are not using Indian technology at all. We are using all foreign technologies, and we are supposed to work as per the manufacturer's document, and all the OEMs are either in USA or in France, and we use their technology, and those technologies have been brought into country, and we are working purely on those technologies. The documents are belonging to them, comes from them, the spare parts comes from the OEMs, the tools, equipments used are all coming from the OEMs for all these activities.